Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap. Harwich, long distance. Movers near me. Do you live in Harwich and want to relocate but not out of it? Then you need local movers to give you a hand. Several Harwich movers in 2023 specialize in local relocation, like the Harwich Local TM Movers. It's better to use them than to handle the relocation by yourself. Do you live in Harwich and want to move out of it? Or do you live outside and want to move into the town? Then you need long-distance movers. You also need them if you want to move out of or into Massachusetts. You'll find many Harwich and MA movers specializing in long-distance moving, and you'll love working with some of them, like Harwich Long Distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Harwich moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.